Organic farming is an agricultural approach that emphasizes the use of natural and sustainable practices to cultivate crops and raise livestock. The primary goal of organic farming is to create a system that is environmentally friendly, economically viable, and socially responsible. This farming method avoids the use of synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, genetically modified organisms, GMOs, and other artificial inputs. Key principles and practices of organic farming include 1. Soil health. Organic farming focuses on maintaining and improving soil health through the use of organic matter, compost, and crop rotation. Healthy soils promote nutrient-rich crops and reduce the need for synthetic inputs. 2. Crop rotation. Farmers often rotate crops to enhance soil fertility and disrupt the life cycles of pests and diseases. This can help prevent the depletion of specific nutrients in the soil and reduce the risk of crop-related issues. 3. Composting. Organic farmers use compost made from plant and animal materials to enrich the soil with organic matter. Compost improves soil structure, water retention, and nutrient levels. 4. Natural pest management. Instead of synthetic pesticides, organic farmers use natural methods to control pests and diseases. This may involve the use of beneficial insects, companion planting, and other biological control measures. 5. Avoidance of synthetic chemicals. Organic farming prohibits the use of synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides. Instead, farmers rely on natural alternatives to promote plant health and protect against pests. 6. No GMOs. Organic farming excludes the use of genetically modified organisms, GMOs. Organic crops are grown from non-genetically modified seeds, and genetically engineered inputs are not used in organic agriculture. 7. Animal welfare. In organic livestock farming, animals are raised in conditions that prioritize their well-being. This includes access to outdoor areas, natural feed, and the avoidance of growth hormones and antibiotics. Certification bodies such as the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, in the United States or the European Union's organic certification set standards for organic farming practices. Farmers who adhere to these standards can label and sell their products as organic, providing consumers with a way to make informed choices about the food they purchase. Why do we need organic farming? Organic farming is considered important for several reasons, and its principles and practices aim to address various environmental, social, and health concerns. Here are some key reasons why organic farming is considered beneficial. Environmental sustainability. Organic farming promotes sustainable agricultural practices that minimize the negative impact on the environment. It focuses on soil health, biodiversity, and conservation of natural resources, reducing soil erosion and promoting long-term ecological balance. Soil health. Organic farming emphasizes the use of natural fertilizers, compost, and crop rotation to maintain and improve soil fertility. Healthy soils contribute to better water retention, nutrient availability, and overall sustainability. Reduced chemical inputs. Organic farming avoids the use of synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and genetically modified organisms, GMOs. This reduces the exposure of the environment, farmers, and consumers to potentially harmful chemicals. Biodiversity conservation. Organic farming practices such as crop rotation and the avoidance of monoculture promote biodiversity by providing habitats for various plant and animal species. This helps create a more resilient and balanced ecosystem. Water quality. Organic farming often involves better water management practices, reducing the risk of water pollution from synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. This benefits both aquatic ecosystems and human communities that rely on clean water sources. Climate change mitigation. Organic farming can contribute to climate change mitigation by promoting carbon sequestration in the soil and reducing the reliance on fossil fuel-based inputs. These practices can help decrease the carbon footprint associated with agriculture. Consumer health. Organic farming avoids the use of synthetic chemicals, antibiotics, and growth hormones in food production. As a result, organic products are often perceived as healthier options, with fewer residues of synthetic chemicals. Support for local economies. Organic farming often involves smaller-scale local production. Supporting local organic farmers can contribute to the vitality of rural communities and reduce the environmental impact associated with long-distance transportation of goods. Resilience to climate change. Organic farming practices such as diverse crop rotations and agroecological approaches can enhance the resilience of agriculture to the challenges posed by climate change, such as extreme weather events and shifting growing seasons. Ethical and social considerations. Organic farming typically includes ethical considerations, such as the humane treatment of animals and fair labor practices. This aligns with the values of consumers who prioritize ethical and socially responsible food production. While organic farming is not without its challenges, it plays a crucial role in exploring more sustainable and environmentally friendly alternatives to conventional agriculture. The adoption and promotion of organic farming contribute to a more resilient, environmentally friendly, and socially responsible food system.